The itsy bitsy spider climbs up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Go forth, wretch the fellowship from my sight. I'll return later.
Lindsay! Come on, we have to carry her up to the school. How are we gonna wake her up? I don't know. Lindsay, come on. We need to wake up. Lindsay, come on, we have to go. Lindsay, wake up. Come on. Oh my God, what happened?
You fainted. It's okay now, though.
What happened with the spider and the others? I fought off the spider, but we lost the others. We have to go inside. Hopefully they'll catch up. Let's go in there.
Yeah, I don't think the cradle's in here.
Who would put it in here?
Yeah, it's kind of dark. Do you think we can turn on a light?
Yeah.
Is there a light switch?
I found it.
Oh. Makes everything better.
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. Maybe it's some sort of video game. Okay, I don't think it's a video game.
Yeah, neither do I. Let's check out some other part of this place.
Yeah.
Well, we know what's not in there.
You think we should go in there and see what it was?
I don't want to.
Let's just go up. It's really dark in here. I can't see anything.
Oh my gosh!
this little heady wait here for us?
He says he knows where the cradle is. Where is it, boy?
The mythical room of power? What's that, boy? Timmy the Rainbow Dragon isn't gay? Oh, you say we have to go through obstacles along the way. Here, boy. Here, go get it. Hurry.
Who's coming this way? You go that way. You go that way.
I think they're gone now. I think they're gone. I think they're gone now. Took Rachel. Oh gosh. We lost her. What am I gonna do with that? We lost her. I believe it either. What was that? I don't know.
You will give us the phone of power now, or you will die. We already have your friend. She will taste good roasted on a spit.
Over our dead bodies.
We were hoping you would say that.
Stop right there, swine.
Ha, I don't even need a blade for this. Yeah!
Yeah, we did it!
Yeah.
Take that. Where's Rachel?
Goblins. They took her.
I'm afraid Rachel isn't the only one we've lost on this journey. There was a fight with a spider in the forest, and he killed Singular and Motorola.
No. But how? It was so small. It even bit me, and I'm still alive.
Do not fear. In place of a few, we now have an army. Dwarves, elves, and other mythical creatures have pledged their allegiance to the Fellowship for the freedom of cellular phones. Now, do you have any word on the cradle?
Look! It says mythical room of power! Let's go! The Yeti told us that we could find the cradle here. Do you know where it is?
Hello? Can you help us, please?
Yes, can I help you?
Where is that voice coming from?
I'm right in front of
Is that you?
you. No, it's me. The cat.
Wait, cats can't talk.
Hello? I'm not talking. See my mouth moving?
How are you doing that then?
I'm telepathic.
Oh.
Yes. Now on to business. You can find the cradle on the altar made by the one who opposes the ways of new. He now possesses it.
But how will we get the cradle from him?
There will be a battle between you, the Fellowship, and those who oppose the ways of new. You must call upon your allies to aid you in your fight. You must defeat Saruman. Only then can you complete your journey and hang the phone up.
We already have an army of mythical creatures.
Then you are ready to continue your quest, but proceed with caution. Saruman's army has also increased in size. This battle will not be easy, and there are no guarantees you will all make it. Go forth, Fellowship, and finish your quest. Peace be with you, and may the grace of the fairy princess be upon you.
Thanks for your help.